Assalamualaikum and hi sir and ma'am. So today our group from group 9 will present the compression molding. I Haikal Aiman and with my other member groups is Danish Ikhwan, Akmal, Nasri Ekal and Lokman Hakim. So for the first slide is introduction of compression molding. Molding is the forming process. Compression molding process is followed by two steps. First one is preheating and the second one is pressurizing. Based on diagram shown, there are four parts of compression molding machines. The first one is upper movable mold half, charge, which is the cavity to produce the product, and the second one is lower fixed mold half and the ejector pin. Compression molding is generally used for thermosetting plastics. Moving on to the history. Initially, plastic molding compound known as Florence compound. Its inventor, Alfred Critchlow, founded the Pro Corporation Florence MA in 1847. Pro is said to be the first plastic molding company. For the first diagram is the handmade mold for handheld mirror. Take the picture in 1870. For the second slide is there are two pictures shown that take in 1934 and 1935, which is the first one is streaming flash from a school radio cabinet, and the second one is large scale compression molding press. Thank you.
I will be explaining about the process description for compression molding. First of all, charge is placed in cavity of matched mold in the open position. Mold is then closed by bringing the two halves together. Pressure is exerted to squeeze the resin so that it fills the mold cavity, and finally, while under pressure, the mold is heated, which cures the resin. Moving on to the next one is stages in compression molding cycle. The various stages of the compression molding cycle time can be represented as a function of the force required to close the hole at a constant rate. In the plasticization stage, the force increases rapidly as the polymer feed is compressed and heated. The second stage, flow, commences once the yield stress of the elastomer is exceeded. TC is the point at which the mold fills and compression of the melt occurs. Mold filling, the majority of chemical reaction should take place after TC.
For the parameter, first, the quantity of charged molding material put into the mold. Second, pressure of the molding process. Range of the pressure 2000 until 3000 psi. Third, molding temperature. Temperature range 300 Fahrenheit to 375 Fahrenheit. 4. Cure time variable. The period required to harden thermostatic material to particle and complete polymerization is called cure time. Type of compression molding. First, sheet molding compound or SMC. Sheet molding process involves placing a reinforcement such as a glass made between the solution layer of a thermoplastic and heating the materials to produce a single sheet of material. Second, bulk molding compound BMC. Bulk molding compound by producing a billet of molten material that is placed into a compression molding press which molds the molten material into a part.
So, for the advantage for this process is lowest cost, more uniform density, uniform shrinkage due to uniform flow, improved impact strength due to no degradation of fiber during flow, dimensional accuracy, internal stress and warping are minimized. This process also got a disadvantage too, which is curing time large, uneven parting line present, scrap cannot be reprocessed.
For the applications and products for the compression molding, one of the application or products is dinnerware, buttons, knobs, appliance housing, radio cases, automotive exterior panels, especially for commercial vehicles, ashtrays and electrical parts. Then we go to the materials used in this process. There is three materials used in this process. One of the materials is thermosetting polymers. Second, fibers reinforced composite, and thermoplastic. Last but not least, there's material properties affected by the process. There is a effect from this process, which is density, the strength, anisotropic property, which is fiber orientation, and the last one, shrinkage and the wrappage. That's it for the compression molding from us. Thank you.